Let me ask you something simple. If crypto is almost about to explode again, do you know if you are early or already late? If crypto is almost about to explode again, do you know if you are early or already late? Because right now, Bitcoin is holding strong quietly. Big institutions are positioning themselves quietly, while most people are still waiting for confirmation. But here is the truth. By the time it feels confirmed, the real opportunity is already gone. Now, what makes this more risky is that the market is not moving randomly. It is reacting to something deeper. A global financial pressure is building slowly.
And a silent wave of money is entering before the average trader even notices. And when those two align, the market just moves. Now, let's break it down. The world is under financial pressure again. Prices are high, cost of living is rising, currencies are unstable. In Nigeria, you already feel it every day. And when this happens, money behaves in a predictable way. It looks for protection.
Normally, money flows into safe assets. Gold, silver, bonds. And yes, that is happening again. But what is different now is that crypto is quietly joining that movement. Wait. Because this is where many people get it wrong. This is not just a crypto pump. This is a global money shift. And crypto is one of the fastest moving parts inside it. Now watch closely. Right now, big money is not guessing. It is positioning. And this is happening inside the Bitcoin cycle. Historically, this stage is accumulation. Now bring it home. In Nigeria, this is real life. The naira is under pressure. Inflation is reducing value. Savings are losing strength over time. So, people are searching for how to protect their money. And that is where crypto enters. It gives access to dollar value, to global systems. But here is the mistake. Most people only think about this when it is already expensive. Let's be honest. This is not full bull run yet. But it is something more important. It is early expansion phase, where things still feel uncertain and news still feels confusing. Most people are still watching, while price is already moving quietly. And this is where wealth is positioned.
Now listen carefully. This is where many people lose money. They chase, they react, they enter emotionally. Do this instead. Stop chasing moves you already missed. Position yourself gradually. Enter bit by bit, not all at once. Focus on strong assets. Ignore noise, because timing beats emotion. Most people entering crypto now are not studying the system. They are reacting to price. They don't understand cycles or money flow. If this opened your eyes, then you are already ahead. Subscribe to Bank Smart Academy. We don't follow hype. We understand movement. Comment next move, and I will show you what comes next. The market is shifting quietly again. And those who understand early will not just make money, they will understand how money moves. Don't discover this late.